Dude, I didn't literally say to drink some milk. Like, it's just a joke.
Oh. Eat some of my sugar.
What?
Eat some of my sugar.
Alright, you're a freaking weirdo.
Eat some of my sugar.
You eat it again. Eat it.
Why?
I dare you, Javian, to drink the baba. Javian, I dare you to drink the baba.
Why?
I just dare you. Go ahead.
Why?
You
Yes or no?
Sure, go ahead if you want to. Oh, God, no. Okay. Takis, eat them fresh. Is a catastrophe. What does it taste like, Javian?